Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to fix Cash App transfers that are failing or being declined, and what steps you can take to get your money moving again. A transfer might fail for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most issues can be solved quickly once you know what to check. The first thing to do is make sure you have a strong internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can sometimes cause Cash App payments to fail. Next, check your balance in both your Cash App wallet and your linked bank account. If the funds aren't available, the transfer will not go through. Another common reason for failed payments is outdated app versions. Go to your App Store or Google Play and make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed. Updating often clears glitches that may block transfers. If your bank is declining the payment, it might be a security precaution. Banks sometimes block transactions they think look unusual. In this case, contact your bank directly to approve the transaction. Also, double-check that your linked debit or credit card details are correct and not expired. Finally, if none of these steps solve the issue, reach out to Cash App support directly through the app. Avoid sending money again until you're sure the problem is fixed. Otherwise, you could be charged twice. And that's it! By checking your internet, updating your app, confirming your balance, and contacting your bank or Cash App support if needed, you can usually fix transfer failed or declined errors quickly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.